Hey, we are going to another SLS car meet tonight, and there's going to be a Christmas light competition tonight. So it'll be interesting to see how who wins the Christmas lights event and who has the best car for that. You guys get to see a bunch of cool cars. We're about to do a car wash right now. I have all the cars prepped, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Just finished up with the car wash.
Oh no! She popped the roof. They shouldn't get new lugs.
All right, let's head out to the car meet. All right, let's head out to the car meet. All right, let's head out to the car meet. All right, let's head out to the car meet. All right, we just showed up to the second SLS car meet in Denver, Colorado. And yeah, let's hop out and have some fun, see some cars, talk to some people, and we should probably be going on a cruise later, but yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon. Just showed up to the SLS car meet, the second one in Denver, Colorado. I wouldn't say there's too many cars yet, but they're still showing up. Got the GLE 63S, the CLA 45, the McLaren. Let's get it.